Hey guys, Gideon here with G.T.M Farms. I just wanted to kind of take you through the process of our evening farm chores. Emily usually does the morning chores because I am at work in the morning, and then I do the evening chores after dinner time and when the kids are in bed. So first, we are upstairs in our spare bedroom, and these are all the chicks that were brooding. They should be able to go out into the coop soon-ish. But we have 4 in here. We have a whole bunch of them down there. And we're just going to check their water and their food and make sure they have enough food and water. So it's pretty simple. I just kind of take a scoop of this and just kind of spread it around for these guys. And they can kind of peck at that. Check their water. They got plenty of water still from this morning when Emily watered them. These guys have plenty of water. And get a scoop of food for them. And these guys can almost fly, so they have to have a cover on here. Okay, so now we're going to take care of the goats and then the chickens. This chicken we had to quarantine for a few days at least. You can see kind of she has a little gunk on her. That's just some medicine we had to rub on her. Or him. I don't know if it's a boy or girl yet. But she was kind of getting picked on out in the coop. But we're treating her right now, and we're going to try to reintroduce her into the flock eventually. And if you guys haven't seen it in a while, this is the rabbit room. Got some fresh babies in there. That's the mama. Her name is Harlow. Yeah. All kinds of animals out here. Okay, so next we're going to feed these guys. These are our 1-year-old kids. And then we also have to take care of... Oh, I think they might be outside. Yeah, they might be out in their pen. But usually they're in here. But yeah, we're gonna... Yes, I know. Hi. I know. Yes, I'm gonna get you food and water in just a sec. I know. I know. You're so sweet. Yeah, you're pretty sweet too. Hi. That one doesn't like being pet as much as this one. This one likes attention. That one just likes treats. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. We have a bale of hay right here. We're gonna just kind of pull off a chunk. Just kind of comes off in these like strips, and we're gonna put it right on the shelf here. Doesn't work super well, but it works for now. Yeah, they can eat that when they're ready. Hey, guys, come on. Come on in. Hey, goats, come on, goats. Come on. Come on. Come on in. Come on in for the night. There you go. Now we gotta step out here and close the door. They have chosen to escape. Okay, they have been re-wrangled. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go fill their water now. That's the next step. Okay, now we're on to feeding and watering the chickens. This bucket I'm going to fill maybe about a quarter of the way, a little more, a little less, but that should be plenty for them for tonight. Alright, so I'm kind of losing daylight, but I'm just going to spread their food around a little bit. Alright, we'll check their water. Yeah, that's pretty empty. So yeah, we'll have to bring the hose in here to fill that. Alright, so while their water's filling, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. Just wanted to give you a little bit of a glimpse inside what goes on here on the farm in the evening time. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, bub. Yes, yeah.